Hi, I'd like to invite you to join me for an upcoming Feldenkrais Access Advanced Training, Head and Neck Injury Recovery. Over the years, I've worked with many people who have suffered serious head and neck injuries, people who have experienced serious concussions. And through this, I have developed an approach that is cohesive, reliable, effective, and shareable. And it's work that's worth sharing because of its effectiveness. This is a logical approach that can help you to help people to feel better, people with serious challenges. It's information that can help a lot of people who rarely get the help that they need. We're going to be working with some original awareness through movement lessons that I have created, and we will watch and discuss demonstrations of functional integration work filmed especially for this workshop. My colleague, Roz Ori, will be on hand to help us understand the relevant anatomy, and Fiona Morris Duff, an assistant trainer and physical therapist, will be with us as well. I hope you will join us. I'm especially looking forward to sharing this material and being with you. Cheers.